24 B-57B and 2 B-57C delivered to Pakistan Air Force, forming Squadrons No. 7 and No. 8, bomber squadrons of No. 31 Bomber Wing based at Masrur, then known as Mauripur Air Base in Karachi, in 1959. All B-57B were retrofitted with RB-1A all-weather bombing systems starting in 1963. Some aircraft were also fitted with under-wing hardpoints to facilitate carriage of 4 extra fuel tanks. Crewed by 2, pilot and navigator, this bombardier aircraft could carry 2,000 kg bomb load in an internal bomb bay and 1,300 kg on 4 external hardpoints to maximum combat radius of 1,530 km. Pakistan Air Force was one of the main users of the B-57 and made use of it in 2 wars with India. In 1965 Indo-Pak War B-57s flew 167 sorties, dropping over 600 tons of bombs. 3 B-57s were lost in action. However, only one of those 3 was lost as a result of enemy action. During the war, the bomber wing of the Pakistan Air Force attacked concentration of airfields in North India. In order to avoid enemy fighter bombers, the B-57s operated from several different airbases. The B-57 bombers would arrive over their targets in a stream at intervals of about 15 minutes, which led to a major disruption of the overall Indian Air Force effort. During the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971, the Pakistan Air Force again made use of the B-57. On the very first night, 12 Indian Air Force runways were targeted and a total of 183 bombs were dropped. As the war progressed, Pakistan Air Force B-57s carried out many night missions. There was a higher attrition rate than in 1965, with reportedly 5 B-57s being put out of service by the end of the war. The remaining 10 to 11 B-57s were replaced in a ceremony on the 27th of December 1983 when No. 7 Squadron was formally re-equipped with the Chinese fighter bomber A-5s.